Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment again. I've got to film this on my phone because my cameraman's not with me. He's not well at the moment, so just have to persevere through and do what I can. So I'm just going to go around the plot and show you a quick video of what's going on. This is my rhubarb plant. It came back after I cut it. My herb bed, which is just filled with ochre yam. I can see some of the tarragon and all that down and in between, but I haven't got round to that yet. See, my roses are coming out, more white roses, the pink, mostly red. Got one potato bucket there what I replanted when I was picking my potatoes. There was one potato what was growing. I just put it back in a bucket and covered it over, and that's it come through there. This is my magnolia tree. It's come back to life. It was looking like if it was going to go, but then it came back. This is my okra yam. And these are my outdoor sweet potatoes what I got at the allotment. You can see how much that's run as well. Got some tomato plants here. I think these are the peach tomatoes. These was in the polytunnel and they were leaning over and everything, so I just kept them in the pot and brought them out. This is all my mint. You can see there's a lot of mint there, but you only use it mostly for teas. You can make cold drinks and all that with it, but it's there. Come around now. Right, this is my polytunnel. This is all my sweet potatoes. You can see how high up they're going. This is my turmeric and my 2 banana plants. I've got to plant those out. You see my lettuce. I planted some mixed lettuce. They decided to come back up. All sweet potatoes. This is another sweet potato bucket here. Getting soaked here. These are my Scotch bonnet plants on the stands. You see they've got Scotch bonnets on them. They're not very big. I don't know why my ones never get big. See the sweet potato, how far it's run up. I planted some carrots in here. They were coming up, but I don't know what's wrong with them. If the soil is too wet or what. This is my ginger. You can see how tall that's getting. My one melon. I think that's ripe now, because you can tell when they're ripe by one of the stems goes brown. I think that's ripe. This is my other chocolate Scotch bonnet. You can see they're doing well in the polytunnel. My chili plants. I picked some chilies. You can see they've still got some new chilies on them. This is another sweet potato. You can see it's flowering again. I'm not sure if this one's ready. There's another sweet potato bucket here. These ones were the one that I was meant to put outside, but they got left inside. Some fennel there. This is that pepper what I was persevering with. It was just a little stalk. The snails ate it right down, and I just kept watering it, and it's sprung back to life. So that's how resilient some plants are. Right. Come out of this polytunnel now. I'm not doing much today because all I can do is water. I just went on snail. These are my pack choys. Got 3 or 4 left. My Romanesco, you can't see them much because it rained yesterday. Got some more tomato plants here. Got some in this tub as well. Was in my conservatory. Got a bucket of carrots here. And I've got some more tomatoes here, 4 tomato plants here. Got a lily there. Another bucket of carrots there. Got my cho-cho, what's decided to start running now. A bit late in the season, I think, so don't think I'll be lucky there. Here, I've got my pumpkin. What's grown up over the trellis. I think it's going to stop now. So someone said to me, the ones, what side ones like these ones, just pick off the tops and stop them from running more, which I'm going to do next time I come down. This is my shimmer tomato plant. Trying to find some of the tomatoes. That's what the tomatoes of the shimmer looks like. That's what they look like. Pointed, very, very sweet tomato. This is some of my other pumpkins here. You see they're grouped up together. Just trying to move this so you can see. Got three there in one place. But I'm just leaving them because I'm not really bothered. Got another 2 coming out there. So there's pumpkins galore on this one. I've got a courgette there. When you're filming on this phone, you can't zoom in how you want to. Got my courgettes. These are my corns. I had to cover them, stop whatever was messing about with them from doing it. So they're looking nice and healthy. My French beans, been picking loads of those. Well, I say a lot, it was more than I was expecting, and they're still coming. These ones are not quite ready yet. So I've got a couple of courgettes to harvest. Cucumbers down there. I don't know if you can see that. That's what the cho-cho looks like from this side. And then I've got another lot of corn there. Those was the last ones what was in the polytunnel, and I planted them out. Got my cabbages here, some romanesco, broccoli. I've picked a load of this broccoli. Every time I come down. So I've got this bed here, what I've done. It's going down now, so hopefully it'll go down a bit more, and then I'll be able to put maybe another layer of manure on top, let that go down, then I can start working on the compost to go on it. And then last but not least is my pumpkin patch. You can see it's every time I come down here it changes. I've got to push it back in again because it's going back out again. Every time I come I've got to steer it, do different things to it. It's looking nice and healthy, so I'm not too much bothered about it. This is the fig tree what I planted. It's starting to bud. I've got to get that off next time I come, off of that old tree. So that's more or less everything what's going on. The plot is, well, there's more things than I expected down here. So, you know, I'm happy with what I've got. Might not look like a lot of stuff, but with the weather what we've been having this year, it's good enough for me. So these are my lilies. They come out again, and I just love lilies. So that's what's going on down the plot. So if you're liking what you're seeing, please remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave comments in the comments section. We will get back to you on them. We noticed that a lot of our views have gone down. I don't know what the reason is. It's just ever since YouTube changed, all our views just dropped dramatically, and you know, it's just one of them things where you just have to, like, you're just starting again and building up again, which I don't think is really right, but you know, you just got to do what you can. So that's basically the plot. Just forgot this spinach bucket here. I planted some spinach seeds and they're just coming out, so I've got to watch the snails with those. So that's basically what's going on down here. There's not really much I can show you, and there's not really much I can do now. I know I've got the tidying up process to do, but I have to take my time because I'm not well myself. So, you know, I've just got to take my time and do what I can when I come. If I'm here, then you know I really need my cameraman here with me to make sure that we're both all right. I have to make sure he's all right. I have to make sure I'm all right. So, you know, it's one of them things. So, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one. You take care until then.